Well, after significant delay to work on another project, I'm back on sheet number 2. We hope we can make it work. Well, I've nibbled away at the bottom edge. Well, we're almost through the nibbling. Well, I got the bottom edge. Yay. No wrangling and wrestling. Well, the welding preparation is done for both the plates. I'm pretty much done for the day. That's kind of hard on my back, and it's time for me to go spend some time with Chewy anyway, and my bride is offloading something that she purchased from the garden supply, so I better get to work with her. Bye. So this door is 2 thicknesses of 1/4-inch plate steel, and it's got to have a thermometer in it. Hi, honey. I'm actually recording, but that's okay. You're welcome to come in and just do what you need to do. So the thermometer probe is 2.5 inches long. It's metric, but it's whatever it is, close. So I have to drill a hole through plate number 1 and then find a way for the probe to be all the way through to plate number 2, and then I have to find a way to have the bolt be able to be tightened down. So I can't remember what these types of, I think they're not, I don't know what they are, but I found one that's metric, 10 by 1.5 I think, or something like that. So basically I'm going to cut off 1.5 inches of this tubing, drill the first hole through plate number 1, which is the face plate, weld the 1.5 inch piece of tubing to the back of tube number 1, cut a fairly big hole the size of the inner dimension of this tube in plate number 2, circular. It's alright, and that ought to allow me to put the thermometer probe through, fasten it down. It's all going to work out, we hope. a new tool for me. I ordered it for a project that I completed 3 weeks ago. It came from, well, that inexpensive tool supplier that we all know and hate. I guess an easier way is just to put them down inside here. So the pilot hole size, I have no idea if this is going to work. Here's the thermometer. We're looking at the back side of plate number 1. I think I'll wind up with just the 1 nut rather than the 2. Well, as I said a moment ago, I'm just dazzled by that hole saw. Not much light to see what's going on here, but maybe I can make that work in a moment. And I think that's a pretty good place to stop for the day. So we've got all the bits and pieces, and including a 20-ton shop press over there that I think I'm going to try and use. I saw a video where a guy straightened out something that he had welded up that had a little bit of a twist in it, and so I'm going to see if there's a way to use the 20-ton shop press to work the twist out of this before I try and weld the pieces in. But that's for another day. Thanks for watching.